Hi guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Renee and Frederick, and today we are doing a hairstyle inspired from the land of bad with Liam Hemsworth. Let's go!
It's gonna be our inspiration today, kind of the style you have, but a little shorter and more to the side. Are you down and ready?
Yeah.
For some Liam hair?
Perfect.
Cool. Okay, Frederick, are you doing anything special this weekend?
I have a marathon in Copenhagen.
What?
So,
oh,
yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So how fast do you think you can run it?
I hope under 3 hours. But
cool.
Yeah, let's
see. That would be so cool. Crossing my fingers for you.
Thank you.
Fast haircut.
Yeah, a very fast.
Faster than lightning.
Yeah.
We will use the Sidekick pre-styler, pre-protector and volume. And this will do so your hairstyle will hold much better. 24 hours hold.
I've been hungry for affection, baby, best believe that you got my attention, baby, now I see you're there in my reflection, you're a part of me, and that's
Gold digger. With extreme hold and a matte finish. The wax with the pre-styler, you will get a more intense hold and you will see that your styling will hold 24 hours. Glidende overgang i nakken, ikke?
Det er mega fedt.
Cool.
Helt perfekt.
Yay!
Frederick, how do you like your new hairstyle?
Perfect. Very nice.
I'm actually looking forward to watch the movie now. Good job, Renee.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.